Well, although we did see a cold start to the day, temperatures by the afternoon, believe it or not, were above average. We saw upper 50s in Grants Pass where the average high is typically in the lower 50s, middle 50s for Medford where the average high is, but we made it up to the 60s, just lower 60s though. Klamath Falls only saw 47 degrees for a high. That's actually 1 degree below average, the average being 48. And currently around the area seeing cool temperatures, 50 degrees for Medford, in the 40s though in Siskiyou County for both Montague and Mount Shasta. East of the Cascades in the upper 30s for Klamath Falls, near freezing for Lakeview. Alturas in the lower 40s, and along the coast temperatures relatively mild compared to what we're seeing inland. Middle 50s for Brookings and upper 50s for Crescent City at 57 degrees. And the winds, we've seen a little bit of a breeze in the Klamath Basin, especially in Lake County this afternoon, 14 miles per hour currently. We are going to see breezy conditions along the coast tomorrow and in the Klamath Basin. This will be ahead of the next system that is moving through initially as a warm front and then as a cold front moving through by Thursday. So here's your jet stream analysis. This is the exact area of low pressure that we have been watching. It's going to what we call undercut this ridge, which means we're still going to be seeing cold air at the surface, but warmer, more moist air aloft. That will set the stage for some snowfall initially in the Klamath Basin, then that will transition over to ice, then that will transition over to rain by Thursday afternoon. So here's your stormcast showing you the clouds moving onshore, rainfall moving onshore by tomorrow evening. So we will be seeing rainfall for most locations, but in the Klamath Basin, that's northern Klamath and Lake counties mainly, that winter storm watch goes into effect at 7 p.m. tomorrow. This is very close to that same time period. So initially as snowfall, we could be seeing 2 to 3 inches of snow, but that will be the accumulation before it all melts and we see rainfall by Thursday. And even throughout the day on Thursday, showers still in the forecast. Then there's the cold front moving through by Thursday evening, bringing even more rain showers by Thursday night, continuing for Friday. So here's your stormcast. Rainfall totals expected with this storm system. This is just through the next 48 hours. So we could be seeing just over 1/4 inch for Medford and east of the Cascades for Klamath Falls and Lakeview, between 1/4 inch, just below 1/4 inch for Klamath Falls. Along the coast where the highest amounts are expected, just over 2 inches for Brookings, for Crescent City, just over 1 inch of rainfall. So for tomorrow along the coast, rain showers will be arriving by tomorrow afternoon, starting out with cool temperatures though in the upper 40s for overnight lows for Gold Beach. Same goes for Brookings. By the afternoon in the upper 50s, breezy conditions, south winds gusting at times up to 25 miles per hour. For Northern California, also another morning frost before temperatures reach the 50s by the afternoon. And that's also when the rain showers will be arriving, at least by tomorrow evening. 52 degrees the high for Wairika, 57 for Happy Camp, but starting out in the upper 20s for the Shasta Valley. And for the Klamath Basin, lower 40s for highs, middle 40s for Klamath Falls. That's rainfall in a mix by tomorrow evening. Once again, winter storm watch goes into effect at 7 p.m. tomorrow, and that's mainly going to affect Highway 140 towards the north. Chemult will be seeing a high only in the middle 30s for tomorrow. And for the mountains, middle 40s for Prospect, upper 40s for Butte Falls. Wintry mix, especially for Crater Lake. Other locations, though, just seeing rainfall. And then for the Rogue Valley, will be in the 50s for highs, starting out with another morning frost. Freeze warning is in effect. That begins early tomorrow morning, continues around 9 o'clock. So for the next 7 days along the coast, rain chances in the forecast each day. Highs mainly in the upper 50s. Next gusty wind scenario with the storm system moving through will be by next Monday. And for Northern California, also rain showers continuing in the forecast. Our highs go from the lower 50s to the upper 50s by the start of next week. For the Klamath Basin, wintry mix Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Then that transitions over to rainfall, just isolated showers by the weekend. For the mountains, our snow levels right around 5,500 feet. Then a rain and snow mix possible for Thursday. Highs mainly in the middle 40s, overnight lows near freezing. And for the Rogue Valley, our highs go from the lower 50s to the upper 50s. Rain still in the forecast for Wednesday evening, then continuing for Thursday, especially Thursday morning.
All right. Thank you very much, Kate.